go into business together. And I said, awesome. What do you want to do? And so for about a year, we researched all different kind of industries, really kind of amazing and crazy stuff. And then
what were a couple of those that
I mean,
divergent paths?
I mean, a clothing line of like men's baggy jeans. I mean, I'm telling you guys, it was kind of off-the-wall stuff, right? And then finally, Bill was at a holiday event with his family, and his brother-in-law started a countertop business in Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina, and asked Bill to kind of come up with the name. And so Bill did all this research and came up with the Countertop Factory. This is back in like 2002, before we ever started. And when Bill was talking about, hey, let's go into business, his brother-in-law's like, well, why don't you guys do countertops? And Bill says, if I tell Jeff that we should look into countertops, he's going to think I'm a crazy guy. So he called me at a good time. I'm like, yeah, let's go check it out. And we researched and realized, there's a lot of fabricators across the country, but many of them are undercapitalized and under capacity, and we can actually run this like a business. And so July 1st of 2005, we started in a small 6,000 square foot warehouse. We started as a solid surface laminate fabricator. We just kind of had a table saw, some wood, and we had a football. And we would just kind of throw past patterns, and we'd go out and try to meet people and